to Intellectuals. In this video tutorial, we are going to understand the concept of casting out 9. Now, what do you mean by casting out 9? Casting out 9 literally means throw 9. Or let us understand how this concept works. Suppose it is given some number 4, 9, 5, 4, 6, 5, 3. Now here we are given a number. Now add the digit of a number across. We want to add the digit of a number across. 3. First, drop out 9. Casting out 9 literally means throw 9 or the sum of the digits is 9. We will ignore that. Here this number 9 is present, so I'll cut this 9. Second, find out the digit whose sum is equal to 9. Let us mark this as 4 plus 5. This is also equal to 9. So another one is 6 plus 3. This is also equal to 9. Another one 4 plus 5. This is also equal to 9. So add the digit of a number across, dropping out 9 so as to get a single digit. Suppose instead of this, if we have 4, 9, 5, 4, 6, 5, 3, 8. Now we'll first drop out 9. So I'll drop this. Then another, the pair of 9, I'll cancel out this also, 4 plus 5, 9. Then 6 and 3, 9. This will also go. 4 and 5. This is also 9. This is also 9. This is also 9. So we'll drop all this. We are left out with this single number 8. Now, if it is a single figure less than 9, then the sum of the digit will be 8. Now, if it is not a single number, it is more than 9. Suppose if it is equal to 12, then we will again add the digit option 1 plus 2, 3. So, if the number obtained is less than 9, then the sum of the digit will be that number. In this case, it is equal to 8. But if the sum of the digit obtained is more than 9, then we have to add the digit again. Here it is 12, so we'll add it again and get the sum of the digits. So this is what casting out 9 is. Now in this particular case, we have dropped out 9. We have dropped the sum which is equal to 9. So we are left with nothing. That is, we are left with 0 because we don't have any number. So we consider the sum of the digit as 0. So 9 is not taken into account in this process, and the sum of the digits which is equal to 9, that is also not taken into consideration. Now we are left with no number, so we'll consider the sum of the digit as 0. This method holds good for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It means casting out 9 can be used for verification, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let us take one casting out 9. Suppose we want to find the digit sum of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Now we want to find out the digit sum of this number. So what we'll do, we first write this as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. First step is cast out 9 or dropped out 9. So we have dropped 9. Now next step is find the digits whose sum is equal to 9. So as we can see here, 5 plus 4 sum up to 9. Second, 6 and 3 which sums up to 9. So we are left out with two numbers which I will circle 8 and 2. So the sum of the digit will be 2 plus 8 which is equal to 10. Now I had told you in the previous example or explanation, if I get the digit sum less than 9, no need to do, the sum of the digit will remain as it is. But if I get more than that, then what I will do, I will add the digit 1 plus 0 and the sum of the digit will become 1. Let us take one more example of this. Find the digit sum of 4, 3, 7, 9, 3, 4, 8, 5, 6, 8, 2, 1, 9. Now, in order to calculate the digit sum of this by normal method, it will take time. But by using casting out 9, we can find out easily. First, we will cast out 9 or drop out 9, then all the digits which will add up to 9. Let us see that. Write separately 4, 3, 7, 9, 3, 4, 8, 5, 6, 8, 2, 1, 9. Now 9 will be dropped out. So I will drop out this 9. Now 4 and 5. So this will be equal to 9. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Another is 3 and this 6. So this will also be 9. 3 plus 6 which is equal to 9. Another one is this 7 and this 2 which is equal to 9. Next is 8 plus 1 which is equal to 9. Now this is 5 plus 4 which is equal to 9. So I left with this is 9, this is 6, this is 3, 8 and 4. So I left with 4 plus 3 plus 8 which is equal to 15, again more than 9. So I add the digit sum which is equal to 16, which is equal to 6. So in this way, casting out 9 can be used to verify the digit sum. It can be used to find out the digit sum of a number. It can also be used to verify the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Even we can find the cube, we can verify the square and the cube of a number using the casting out 9 method. 3, 4, 7, 3, 8, 5, 5, 6, 9, 3, 8, 4, 2, 5, 8, 7, 6, 9, 3, 8, 1, 7, 3, 0, 4, 2, 9, 4, 6, 4. We have to add all this number and we have to verify that the digit sum is equal to 19867332. Now what we'll do? Instead of adding all this number, we just found out the digit sum using casting out 9. Let us see one by one. 3, 4, 7, 3, 8, 5. Now using casting out 9, we can cut this. So the digit sum is 3, 7, 3, 8. 8 and 3, 11, 11 and 3, 14. 8, 3, 11 plus 7, 18, 3, 21. So the digit sum comes out to be 3. Right. Now next do for this second number. 5, 6, 9, 3, 8, 4. 9, 3, 8, 4. 5 and 4 gone. 6, 3 gone. 9 gone. So the digit sum will be 8. Next 2, 5, 8, 7, 6, 9. Again 9 gone. 7 and 2 complements to each other. So 5, 8, 13 and 6. 13 plus 6 is 19, which is greater than 9. So 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1. This is 6 plus 8, 14 plus 15, 19. 9 plus 1 is 10. So the digit sum again greater than 9. So it will become 1. So in this way the digit sum will be 1. Similarly, we'll check out for 381730. We'll get the digit sum as 4, and for this 4294 we'll get the digit sum as 2. So adding all this, 3 plus 8 11 12, 4, 16 and 2, 18, and again 8 plus 1 which is equal to 9. Since we get it 9, we consider the digit sum as 0. If we get 9, we consider it at 0. More than 9, we'll add the digits. Less than 9, we keep as it is. Now let us check the answer result which we have to prove. 1986732. Now using casting out 9, you can cast 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9 and 7 plus 2 is 9. So we'll get the digit sum as 9, which is considered as 0. So the left hand side is equal to RHS right hand side. So we have verified this sum by using the casting out 9 method. We can use this method for subtraction, multiplication and division and many more properties of 9, which we will discuss in the next video. Goodbye. See you in the next tutorial.